All right, hello and welcome again. This is Mr. Burfind, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to put the images that you find on the internet, graphs, tables, pictures, and you can also do it with pictures that you take, onto your presentation, into your introduction project. So the first thing that you have to do to find them is to go to the Safari and type in the main page for Google. And there's probably other ways to do it as well, but this is the way that I'm going to show you. And then decide what it is that you're going to search for. So let's just say that I'm looking for unemployment in Minnesota. So, or even more specifically, graph of unemployment in Minnesota. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in, and then eventually it'll probably figure out what I'm looking for, and it'll tell me what it is. Well, maybe not. Just have to type the whole thing in. Okay. Then go ahead and do my search. And then at this point, I could also touch images, and it'll give me some options. And so let's say that I decide that I want to have this one. So go ahead and click on it. And then now in order for you to get this onto your presentation, you have to do a screenshot. So the way you do a screenshot on the iPad is you hold down this button and the button around the side very quickly together. Just do it real fast. You'll be able to tell if you do it correctly, if it blinks. Then after that, you have to return to the main screen and look for your photos. And inside there, you'll find the photo you just took. And go ahead and touch it. Now, you probably don't want to have all of this that you're going to be in your project, so what you have to do is look for the word edit. It should be up here in the upper right hand corner, and you're going to touch the word edit and look for the word crop down here, and then at that point go ahead and use your finger to move these lines to get exactly what it is that you want. So you want to move them in so it's going to look exactly like you want to have it. You get it into your project. Looks like it's almost pretty good. Let's go ahead and move that over a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. So once you get it right, then go up here and touch crop, touch save, and then in your upper left corner, and again for some reason I can't see it here on my screen, it has a left arrow and the word moments is written. You can't see it, but I'm going to go ahead and touch that. It'll take me back to here. And then you put your finger on the image you want and just hold it down there briefly, and the word copy will appear. So you touch the word copy, and then back to your main screen, and then over to Keynote where you are working on your project. And so you probably want to start it, maybe you want to put a fresh slide in there. Just hold your finger down and lift it off. The word paste will appear, and now your graph appears. You can go ahead and change that and put it the way that you want. So that's the way that you can put images into your projects here using Keynote on the iPad.